Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us do a traditional mixed vegetable sambar from Tamil Nadu. For this, first let us take half a cup of split pigeon peas, that is tur dal, clean it with water and add 3 cups of water. To this add the required amount of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now close this and pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. This is perfectly cooked. Set this aside. Next we are going to saute the vegetables. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add 10 to 15 shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can very well use onions. Saute the onions for a few minutes and then add garlics, 4 to 5 garlics. We preferably use shallots than onions because shallots don't carry even a mild sweetness like onions. Next we are going to add drumsticks. Chop and add 2 drumsticks. Finally, for the vegetables, I am going to add brinjal, 3 to 4 brinjals chopped. We are going to saute this till it is half cooked. As we are going to pressure cook this again, don't overcook. Now let us transfer this into the cooked dal. Now let us start adding the rest of the ingredients. 1 tomato chopped, 2 tablespoons of sambar powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and a huge pinch of asafoetida, that is hing. Give a proper mix, no lump should be formed. Next we are going to add the tamarind water. You have to soak a lemon sized tamarind in water for 10 minutes and you have to extract the tamarind juice. Add enough water, maybe a cup or 2. Check for the salt. And now let us pressure cook this for 1 or 2 whistles. This is perfect. Next let us add some raw mangoes. Raw mangoes will give you an awesome taste to the sambar. Now if you want, you can dilute with some water, around half a cup of water, and bring it to a boil and boil this for around 5 minutes. Next is the tempering. Add half a teaspoon of split black gram, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds into hot oil and finally few curry leaves. Our tempering is perfectly ready. We have transferred the tempering into the sambar and as a final touch we are going to add some chopped coriander leaves. The traditional Tamil Nadu style sambar is ready and here are the list of ingredients for your reference. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.